Here's how to get free games on Steam. In this video, we're going to show you a few ways to find free games on Steam, and a few methods to find free games off the platform. The majority of games you can claim immediately on Steam are free-to-play games. On the Steam app or browser, go to Store on the menu. In the drop-down, select Free to Play. Here you'll be able to browse and search every title that is currently free to download on Steam. You can sort through to find popular games like Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Team Fortress 2, or Warframe. You can also find free games through crowdsourcing sites and communities. Free Game Finders is a community on Steam that's a strong place to start. You can also find various communities on Reddit, like r/freegamesonsteam or r/gamedeals. You can also find free games off of Steam. Stores like Humble Bundle, which offer pay-what-you-want bundles and monthly subscriptions, sometimes offer free games in their store. Keep checking back to see when those deals appear. If you have Amazon Prime, you have access to Prime Gaming, another option to get free games on a non-Steam platform. With a rotating catalog of free games and in-game loot and bonuses.